Don't try to utter any word here. Hey! If you say something, I'm going to pull out your grey out. You know what I'm saying? Mommy. Your friend was saying. Because I want it!
Your friend is Belinda.
What's your name?
Belinda.
Get it down. So you should know.
Hey.
Hey, bro. And my child also so for Trobia. Come on, shut.
Jehovah.
We are serious here, we are not joking.
Mama Sita.
Hey,
Mama.
Masa, you came here for a purpose, man. You didn't come here for breast.
You wait.
You wait, right?
What are they saying?
Can't check them. I'm saying you should come down. Forget that channel.
You fool.
You see who?
Can't hear. You so you look man what can you? What do you mean? You don't see breast.
Man, I need money. What is breast? Hey. Man, go on. Stand there. Hey, don't come near me. Stand there. Once again, I said, where is the money?
There's no money in this house.
There's no money in where?
In this house, there's no money.
Then say your last breast.
Do it, come. Listen, do it.
Man, you have me a purpose.
Do it, watch me. Like when you're smart guy. You feel old.
Smart man.
See breast.
Hey man, we are talking about money. You see, you are talking about breast.
Make it left.
Are you fool?
Yeah, go back.
Let me tell you, don't call me for money. You hear me? Come on, stay back. What is wrong with you?
So you know something like
you wanted to kill us.
Mama Sita, bombo class, a lot of noise. This is what I call bullying. Falabum say, skaskatwa shai mama.
You have to be careful.
I don't fool.
You came here for money.
You don't.
We didn't come here for breast.
I got for don't.
You understand?
See,
man,
that's what I talk for you. What you fool, eh? Amen. And then I go point with what it. Then give it John Yemen and so he. My boy down sister. Open short and I open some later.
You, yeah.
I'm pumped.
You keep quiet over there.
Take my gun, go.
You don't come here. Hey, come here. Hey, you see your life. You see your life. Yo man, hurry up and let's go. Check them in free alcohol. Let's go. I'm in a minute, but I didn't know John Churchill. Shit!
You're going to answer the You
I did something. Let me don't touch me. Come there, come and go back.
Do it. Take my gun.
You give me away. You don't do me. Who will come in? Give me your phone. Come, give me your phone. Give me your phone. You think you are joking here?
Do it. Take my gun. Mommy, open a short and answer for 7 days.
Watch my phone.
Where's your mom?
Come on, shut up.
Hey. Men are missing at a tea.
Or
Shema, so I must pull and open a short and answer 7 days. Or phone. My jam, shut up.
Fuck! Arrested! I will be a power and your brain that you be crying your brain that you be the piss carry the world. What are the bear and mass and bear and no for? I don't know for. Ha! No, fuck you, man. Don't talk to me. You came here for a mission. You came here for a purpose. A reasonable purpose. Man, fuck you. Next time, don't call me for a mission, okay?
If I call more than the young man,